In this video, we're going to have a look at how to do a username and password check, which is a fairly common thing that you would build into quite a lot of programs. And if you get it right, it's a kind of piece of code that you can just reuse it again and again in lots of different situations. So first of all, we're going to have a variable called username. And we're going to take that as an input. And then same for password. We're then going to have a loop, which is going to say while username is not equal to admin and password. Password is not equal to 123. If you look at our cybersecurity videos, you know that's not a good password. We're going to say username and all passwords correct. Try again. And we're going to put all of that inside that while loop again. And then we're just going to have a variable at the end, a print sequence at the end, which says we've done, which indicates that it has been entered incorrectly. So if we run this now, and I type in that, or like that, it's just going to say it's incorrect. If I type in 1, 2, 3, 4 for the username, but admin for the password, it says it's incorrect. Type in load more gibberish, like so. But then as soon as I enter in admin and 1, 2, 3, 4, tells me that we moved on and we're all fine. So that's one way that you can do that. And you can make this more complicated. You can make it more interesting as well. So you could have things like a number of attempts. So you could say say something like and attempts are less than 4. We'll make attempts equal to 0. And then we'll just increment attempts by 1. And this is going to allow them 3 goes at, actually allow more than 3 goes, allow 4 goes before it tells them it's wrong. So let's change that to 3 there. I'm going to increase it by, but then when we get out of this, what we need to do is we just need to do a quick check. We need to say if username, we just need that line of code there. And tab that over. We're just going to have an else which says you've been locked out. Let's try it. So I'm going to make it lock me out. There we go, you've been locked out. If I enter it incorrectly though, let's say I get it wrong first time, but then I do enter in admin and 2, 3. There we go.